Ito, may muto. Magandang tanghali sa lahat. Good noon. And welcome again to our intraday. With, of course, with yours truly. Alright, guys. So, Dudong One the Trader back again. Yesterday, I wasn't able to provide any intraday kasi what happened? I have some internet. We have intermittent internet issue yesterday. You know, I cannot even access my Zoom or cannot even broadcast any live. So I decided not to push through, but I was able to provide some of the intraday for our crypto friends, no? For our crypto friends na nagte-trade ng mga crypto. And then at the same time then at the later part in the afternoon, early before evening, we also able to provide possible gold heading. And yeah, we did able to catch up before before na lumabas yung CPI. And yeah, it did created a big move, no? Last night, if you're looking into the chart right now, kung nakikita ninyo, so meron talagang move from here nag-whip. So but anyways, I just have to share this a little yung ano natin. Yeah, if you're watching right now, don't forget to share. Maintain smooth streaming such as viewers with experience buffering. I am currently experiencing a little bit of buffering doon sa ano natin, no? Doon sa YouTube channel natin. If you're watching right now, don't forget to share and like our live stream to your fellow traders and to your friends that like to know more about trading. Why not? Let's start learning to earn money, even if we're just like using your cell phone or nasa harap ka lang ng computer mo, nasa bahay ka lang because it's pandemic. Why not? Why not? Let's take advantage of what we have rather than sit and wait until you get bored and until you like start whining why the government is doing this and like that and you're not being productive. Let's start learning. Let's do this. Let's let's fill some baskets na pwede nating paglagyan ng a little bit of our extra investments or fund na kumikita tayo while we are just in the comfort or in the comfort of our home, no? So safe pa, kumikita ka pa, di ba? Why? Totoo ba talaga yung Forex? Of course, Forex is real. It's just that some other people are using it for their advantages and some Ponzi scheme. So I'd like to remind everyone, do not engage with people who will promise you lucrative returns or guaranteed returns when it comes to Forex, because when you do Forex, there's no guaranteed on your profit, but there's a huge potential, or there's a certain strategy that you need to follow if you wanted to reach a target. Na kung gusto mong kumita ng ganyan, you have to really focus onto your Forex, especially your technical analysis, your fundamental analysis. Do your charting every day. Follow me for your intraday insight. And of course, choose the right broker, which is our official partner, Sky Alliance Market, guys. Sky Alliance Market. Thank you so much, Sky Alliance Market Philippines. Okay? I'm being partnered with Sky Alliance Market matagal na, and so far I didn't have any issues with my deposits and withdrawals, and any concerns or questions, they are always up to assist and help you. By the way, I'd like to remind everyone, and I'd like to invite everyone there yung gustong matuto about risk management. Tonight, guys, I'll be having a webinar. By the way, promote ko na rin. Sorry ha, hindi ko siya na pull up right away. Tonight, I'll be having a webinar. It will be natin I have two different events, actually, two different webinar. One will be tonight, and then the other one will be on Friday. I'll just have to pull up the banner, guys. Just give me a minute here. I'm not really prepared. Okay. Right, for tonight, this is what we have for tonight. Lang, guys, let me just pull up. There you go. And the other one will be this one. So ito po, tonight, alright? Tonight, we will have our risk management discussion or webinar. Of course, Wednesday, September 15 at 8 p.m. Samahan niyo po ako. We'll talk more about risk management and how we can really make sure that we're not gonna be wiping or burning out our account, no? Marami pong experiences na ganun, and it's not something that is new, no? Kasi hindi natin alam kung ano yung pinaggagawa natin pagdating sa trading. We just place and place and place and place and place a lot of trades, and then when the market reverse against your favor, then that's the time that pagpapawisan ka na, di ka na makakatulog, di ka na kakain. Aawayin mo na kung sino-sino na lang aawayin mo. So guys, tonight I'd like to invite you to join me in our webinar. Let's learn. Hindi lang to applicable sa akin, sa lahat po ito. Dumaan po tayo na sa mga ganitong experiences, and it's better to learn from other people's experiences and listen to their experiences, so at least makunan mo siya ng reference or may basihan ka and you know what to do when it happens to you. At least you can like, oh, I've heard this, and like that person was able to give me an education or an advanced possible things that I can do wherever I'm on a situation. So why not, diba? Let's do it, guys. Wala po itong bayad. I'm giving this everything as an opportunity shared from my end. Glory to God, because I also got the opportunities to learn trading for free. And nagsipag lang tayo, focus lang tayo, and then we learn from it. Okay? Hindi po one day process yung forex trading. Hindi po one day process yung maghahanap ka ng pera. Again, may share ako sa inyo. Okay? Meron akong passage, or like, this is a gospel, no? Ang i-share ko lang to. A faithful man shall abound with blessing, but he that maketh haste to be rich shall not be innocent. That is Proverbs 28:20. So, wala pong mabilisan. You know what? Kung mabilisan, mabilis din po siyang mawala. You have to really work it out, toil. Kumbaga sa Bible, mag-toil tayo. Pagsipagan natin, paghirapan natin, so we can really get something out of it, and it's worth it naman, diba? At the end of the day, you know that whenever you get the reward, it's worth it because you really did your best on it. So ma-appreciate mo siya, and you can really stick into your problem. Right, guys, so somebody's messaging me as well as of the moment. So, assist natin. Shout out whoever's messaging. I cannot divulge the name, but anyways. Alright. So, this will be tonight, guys. Tonight, ito po yung event natin. Balik tayo. Webinar natin at 8 p.m. Make sure to follow, as I will follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook, personal Facebook, so you can get the Zoom link. Prior to the webinar, I will be doing a live at least 10 minutes before sa Facebook and sa YouTube as well, so I can send out the Zoom link. Then followed the next event is eto. This will be on Friday, September 17th, Friday, 8 p.m. But an MT4 navigation for those who'd like to learn on how to navigate MT4, do their charting and via MT4, placing manual orders, pending orders, everything. Okay, and I might be sharing that night I might be sharing some of the indicators that I am using. Hindi lahat, but I'll be choosing some of the indicators that I'll be sharing you, which those indicators that are really important sa akin, na effective naman siya. Hindi lahat kasi ng indicators, kasi too much indicators, wala, ang pangit tingnan. Ang gulo tingnan ng charting, nawawala ka sa focus. So, yun guys, Friday and tonight, 8 p.m. Okay? Huwag kayong mawawala tonight. Please be there and join me. Okay. Right. We have here. So, teka lang ha. I'd like to share. Okay, again, for those who are watching right now, please don't forget to share and like our live streaming. Share it to your friends, to those people that you know that doing trading, especially Forex, and at least they can get some information or insights on how the market will react and what are going to be expecting tonight for New York or London session and New York session. So I'll be pulling out first. I'll start on checking the news. Okay, dito tayo sa news. Right, calendar. For tonight, we are expecting, ayan, if you noticed, yeah, there's already some news. Those are minor impact. Later at 2 p.m., expect CPI or GBP. So we'll see what will be the impact. This is if actual is greater than forecast, it's good for currency. This is considered the UK's most important inflation data because it used as the central bank inflation's target. All right, guys. Okay, it's most important. When it's mentioned most important, will it affect other currency? Yes, and then especially USD, it will react. It will have a reaction, and then the GBP, GJ, we'll call it GJ, GBP, JPY, and I don't know what other pairs we can check, but we're gonna look at what other pairs we can check. Let's just add. This might also help traders from GBP USD. But we're gonna start on gold. So going back to the news right there. Tonight, yeah, later 2 p.m. we are expecting a high impact news CPY from UK, and then at 8:30 market at 8 as early as 8 market might already have to market will start price will start to move and cautious or be careful kasi may nakikita tayong possibility na mga mag-convert into from medium to high impact news pagpasok nila sa latest stories or sa index. So I suggest everyone to be very guard your trades by around 7:30 to 8:30 until 9 up until 10. I would suggest to please guard your trades kasi merong mga nakikita tayong mga papasok na news Wednesday, okay? Highlight ko lang Wednesday yan. Right, guys. That is Wednesday. That is for tonight. So let's go to our chart and let's start on gold. Last night, by the way, going back lang saglit, so the result was against USD. Kaya ang nangyari kagabi, nagkaroon ng a little bit of a thrill. Hindi naman. Nung pumasok yung news at 8:30, nagkaroon ng whipsaw, guys. The price was like hovering here because ito nga sabi natin, since the last 2 hour prior to the next to the 8:30 candle, no, dinirespect niya yung low nito and then nagbasag siya dito. So we were expecting na the next candle was gonna be a bearish candle pababa. So dito dapat, so ganito dapat nangyari kung itong candle na to is nag-break ng previous candle ng low niya. So like we were expecting on 8:30, nag-close kasi siya dyan, no? So we were expecting that the next candle would drop all the way, like all the way somewhere here, and target was 1765. Pero prior to the news and like around Saturday, I've been reading a lot of sentiments already and some speculations that the CPI will not be getting a good data, and which is totoo naman talaga, no, some of the speculations that we were following, yeah, it was not favored by the US side. That's why nagkaroon po ng whipsaw, alright? Nung naging when this candle started at 8, kasi yung news 'di ba 8:30 siya nagsimula. When this candle started on 1 hour, it was just like holding here. Nag-hold lang siya ng mga ilang minutes, mga 20 minutes, 25, and then it started to like go down. And then when the news went out or nag-impact na yung news, boom, nag-whipsaw, bumaba, bumiglang tumaas, bumaba, up to here lang talaga 1780, and then yun na, tumuloy-tuloy na siya because of the data na again, it was against the US dollar. So, nung tumaas siya, nag-whipsaw siya dito pababa, I was like already expecting na tataas siya tuloy. Dito, natamaan natin yung, um, supposedly, dito ako maglalagay ng maglalagay ng buy stop, pero sabi ko it's too risky, and it might like baka tamaan and then magtuloy-tuloy pababa. So inangat ko siya dito, no, nung nag-whipsaw siya, natamaan agad. Then bumalik dito, then I just like mabilis kasi yung galaw niya, so I just like hold on. If ever na nag-break yung possible SL ko, yung SL ko andito, if you're gonna look at the left side, somewhere yung SL ko dito. Itong area na to, kasi tested, alam ko nagbasag na siya dito. So, somewhere like here, tested support area. Pero hindi natamaan yung SL natin, kaya from here, tumuloy-tuloy tayo. Like 3 times po akong nakapag-place ng position. And also here, yun yung nangyari kay gold. Now, like gold is hovering at the buy zone, so buy zone tayo. Short tayo papuntang, tingnan natin. The next TP will be around 1808, which is naabot na niya. No? Pero sa akin, yung TP ko is somewhere here. And then, if ever mabasag yung 1813, I would place a position above 1815 at 1816 to be safe. Okay? Lagay nga tayo ng trend. Guluhin natin. Ayan. Diba? Magulo pag maraming maraming tawag dito. Maraming indicator, kaya inaalis ko siya. Pag chart na ako, tinitingnan ko lang, ginagamit ko lang yung mga indicator. So this level right now, I can see a bullish formation, but I still do not like to place anything on this side kasi nga delikado siya, no? Tingnan nga natin doon sa MT4 natin. Let me pull up an MT4, guys. This is for gold, okay? Natin sa MT4. Alright, sa MT4 natin, since there's gonna be a move this 2 p.m., why not? Who knows? Baka mag-break din tayo, baka gumalaw din si gold. Kasi nga, para sa akin, if there's something will gonna happen on the Europe side or UK, the gold also react and follow wherever that those currency goes. So, right now, yung Fibot area natin is 1797, which is we are above Fibot area, and nakita naman natin ngayon nagre-range siya dyan sa nasa below tayo ng above and below, in between ng resistance 1 and resistance 2 yesterday, which is 1806 and 1799. So nasa 1803 tayo, and alam natin tong 1803 ilang beses na to naging resistance, and matigas-tigas talaga dyan, tested. But if ever mag-breakout tayo tonight and we are able to break out above 18010, we will be expecting and moving up 1814, and then again maglalagay ako ng position above 1815, somewhere 1816 or 1817 to be safe, and I'll be like possibility of touching 1826, okay, which is the last second resistance for today. Kung chart naman natin si H1, tingnan natin from here. This is from September 3. So, nag-breakout tayo. Meron akong charting nito eh. Di ko lang mahanap. Pero, limutan ko kasi kagabi. Binago ko. Yan. Then, yan. Meron siyang triangular, ano, 'di ba? So, nag-breakout tayo, like last night. And then, I don't see any, like, sa ano sa H1 eh. Anong posibleng move niya, not unless later tonight on the news or how will the market react na naman or the USD react tonight. Pero para sa akin, again, we are in the buy zone for short going to 1808 balik. If you would like to place a buy here, it's good. And then above that, 1809 going to 1813 or 1814, take profit. And then from 1814, wag muna. Above 1816 tayo mag-place para sa ating next position. Going to somewhere above na yan. Mabilis lang yung basagin yung area na yan above 1816 para sa akin, which I have noticed, which I have also um, observed, no, nung paakyat si gold. Usually, yung in-expect ko talagang uh, area na mag-bounce back siya is nasa 1832 or 1830. So, okay, for gold, again, we are on the buy zone. And if ever man lang bumaba siya, ito po possibility natin. Ito po yung trend line or yung trend line sa baba. Yan. 1787. Support, hard support that might not be like easily na malagpasan niya. Mag-buffer size 1775. Let's go and look at the day time frame. Ayan. 1875 nga yung target. Ito nga yung medyo mababa, malayo yung ano natin. But if ever this happen, pwede siyang mag-bounce back. Nakakatakot guys, no? Pwedeng ito na yung trend line natin na natin ganito. Or pwede rin i-follow niya. Yan. Yan. And if ever naman nag-bounce back, it may go as deep as 1687. There we go. Pero kung titingnan natin from the very top, trend line tayo dito. BTC oversold. Ayan, talagang posible. Resistance area din yan talaga. Yung 18, somewhere here. Ayan, itong current price natin. So, okay, kung gagawa kayo ng trend line, I still suggest na kung doon kayo sa maraming matatamaan or maraming touches, right? Consider those candles na maraming touches. Huwag doon sa konting touches lang. Weekly. We are still on a bearish formation sa weekly, guys. But then, hindi natin pwedeng i-disregard yung possibility na may gumawa ng harmonic pattern nito. Nakita ko so maganda talaga yung like that. And then if this continue, then we will be like on the day na trend line, ito 1883 to 1900, no, the full long term. I don't know if if the possibility taas ba yung chance kasi reading and looking into some people giving insight, maraming nagsasabing bullish pa rin si gold, but then anything can happen. So I still have to really suggest or really exert more into doing the charting so you will identify the zone if you go short or go long term. Okay, monthly, I consider monthly as pwede talaga siyang mag-bullish na kasi ang taas na ng iniwan niyang week dito sa monthly. If you're gonna look at the monthly, guys, yan, ito yung week niya. Yan, mataas. Galing siya dito and then nag-week na pataas. So, nag-reject na siya. And we are still just halfway of the month. So anything can still happen. We don't know. Like this candle, ito naman nag ano to eh, itong previous na itong candle na to. Matagal to nag-hover eh, in half of the month and then biglang bumulusok pababa. So again, charting lang talaga, always guard your trades and know the zone so hindi tayo magka-problema and makatulog tayo if ever may floating, hindi tayo magiging zombie. So right now, buy zone po yung price ni gold. Again, above the current price right now. If you want to place buy, yes, it's a risky place position. But if 1803 will break, 1805 go up to 1808, and then 1808 somewhere 1809, and then from there 1809 going to 1814, and then cut muna out, and 1816 would be the best position. And 1812 pala, 1810, 1812, somewhere there, no? 1810, 1812, medyo ano yan, magbabuffer, but for me 1810 will be the best position as well. And cut lang pagdating sa 1815 guys kasi yun nga, as what I've said, medyo tested yung area yung 1813 tsaka 1814 and matagal siyang mag-ano dyan, matagal siyang nakaka-breakout. So let's go to GBP USD. I'm gonna go ahead and check because I think there is already a tingnan natin. Meron nang binigay na insight ata coming from our partners from United States, the team of Sir Anmar and Sir Eric. They are giving us good charting when it comes to currency. Guys, I just wanted to correct. No, may mga taong nagsasabi, they thought that the charting that or the charts that we give is signal. Hindi po. Those insights and technical analysis that we're giving you, it's just a guide for you. And it's more better pa rin na gumawa kayo ng sarili ninyong technical analysis because from that, you will learn eh. Makaka-learn ka kung paano eh. There you go. Ito, GBP CHF, guys. So, I'm not gonna be touching anything anymore. GBP CHF, ito, bearish on 4 hours time frame, preference sell zone at 1.26, 72 and 1.2634. Disclaimer, for information purposes only, trade at your own risk. Ayan. So, meron silang binigay na insight. If you're just gonna go and follow the page, Sky Alliance Market VIP Lounge. Then, VIP Lounge. Kaya pala. Okay, VIP private siya. Mostly yung nakaka-access nito yung mga funded ng Sky Alliance. But then, these chartings are very effective. Okay, this is a very effective and so far, para sa akin, I'll say nasa 85% win rate sila when they started and they are increasing pa nga and they're really moving up. So, okay, I'm just checking on something. May Axie message. Alright, moving. So, tingnan lang natin si GBP for the sake sa 1 hour time frame before mag 2 p.m. Nasa area to. So, if we consider this support here kasi nag-range siya, pwede. But then, pwede siyang kailangan if nag-break siya dito, guys, si GBP, yeah, there is like something, ito yung gagrab niyang liquidity area. So, para sa akin, I'll wait for the GBP kasi I'll wait for the news and see if ever maglalagay ako ng sell stop somewhere here, this area, and then buy stop ko pag 2 p.m. hindi pa to nabasag na area, buy stop ko will be here above 1.38, 175 or to be safe somewhere here. Okay. this area. Buy stop ko yan for GBP USD. Lang guys. What do we have here? May ginagamit kasi ako kaninang ano eh. If ever nag-down siya dito on this area sa 1.37, for me buy zone, I'd rather do a full swing. Failure kasi ano eh, previous na siya. So yeah, let's do this. So pwede tayo maglagay dito ever gusto natin mag-buy somewhere here, and I will do TP somewhere here. And if bumaba naman siya dito, this would be the area that I might take profit. Dyan. This is for GBP, okay? GBP USD. Tingnan natin 4 hours. Yan, may trend line. Oh, nakita nyo, di ba? Itong area na to yung possible na itatouch niya. So, kung naglagay tayo dito ng posisyon na 1 hour dito, dito siya, dito magti-TP. Right, that's for GBP. You can do the 1.38 buy stop. Buy stop, right? And you can do the sell stop at 1.3792. Mas maganda pa, hintayin nyo yung news pero maglagay na kayo ng posisyon. Trend line, ito yung trend line niya. Extended sa trend line dito. Trend line pala. So I hope that would also give you information for GBP. Sell stop at 137.92. Buy stop at 1.3820. GBP JPY. Wow, baba rin. There's something that's gonna be happening talaga by 2 p.m. So, guys, yun the same thing din para sa akin for GBP JPY. Let's check the 4 hours para makita na rin tayo. Baka may trend line dito. I don't see any trend line here. But we can create one. There. Area. Yeah. Para sa akin dito. Ito area na to. If I'm gonna place something, position, I would do it here. My sell stop. Sorry. Ay, mali. Sunod ba yun? Ba yun? Here's my sell stop, and I will be possibly taking a profit from here. Then if ever later, kung ever mag-break out, the best position will be on this area. Bakit dyan? Ito lang. That's 151.53. Take profit 151.80. Then sell stop at 151.00 and then 150.59. That's GBP. USD JPY. What's going on with USD JPY? Then 4 hours. Nag-range pababa yung mga currency. This is the support area that we can consider. Resistance. This area here. So short position. Okay, forecast. Dito ako. Into this level. And if I'm gonna place a buy somewhere, going dito. Yan. So we have 109.74 as our buy stop. Our sell stop will be 109.51, TP at 109.30, and then yung TP natin sa buy stop is 109.86. So that would be for our USD JPY. What can we add more? So, alam ko maraming naghahantay dyan sa natin, crypto partners natin. Let me just check and see what we can find sa mga crypto natin. Let's start on XRP, guys. I think nagbigay na ako this morning ng XRP eh. Ganun pa rin, wala pa rin akong changes dun sa ko sa XRP ko. Yun. Again, nasa buy zone tayo ngayon sa XRP. And it's already a chart na naging effective siya. If you're gonna look at this, guys, hindi naman magsasucess yan kung ngayon natin siya ginawa na charting. That was made like the last week of August. Nag-TP tayo dito, because we were able to simply able to create a good charting and technical analysis. So we were able to identify the zone, which is the buy zone here and here. And then when it comes here, nagbaba rin tayo dito, pero hindi na ako sumabay pababa. Okay? Hindi na ako sumabay pababa. That opportunity is what I missed, pero okay lang. Nagtatanong buy zone po tayo ngayon. If ever naman na masira itong area na to, it will go to 1.0 and then 1.90. Well, the worst that I'll be expecting is the 0.80. So, from here, I consider this a buy zone area. Mahirap din papunta ang 0.60, yung pinaka-worst na talaga nakita natin. So, right now, we are in a buy zone. Safe buy, pinaka-safe talaga is 1.16 if you want to do a trading on the XRP, guys. So, I think na-post ko na to sa XRP na page, alright? So, I hope those insight will help you. And, what else? BTC. Yan tayo, BTC. Sa FMT, congrats para dun sa mga sumabay sa FMT. And then, sa SOL din, nagbigay ako kayo ng umaga, SOL, FMT. So, kaya guys, follow lang talaga kayo sa Facebook and sa YouTube. It may not really give you the guarantee to profit, but it will help you understand and learn more where the zone and where you can get in and where are the opportunities na mag-profit or mag-gain tayo sa trading natin or sa trading ninyo. Okay? And then a lot of people now is learning like they the opportunity na sinishare natin na makapagturo tayo paano mag-charting, and they're starting to learn on it, on how to use and how to do the charting po. So yun yung importante. Bakit ayaw? Am I already like BTC? Ayaw ko ito. Bagal ng internet siguro. Okay, okay. Ito lang guys Yan, BTC. For BTC, 1 hour. Internet is a little bit simultaneous kasi yung live natin. Meron tayong YouTube, meron din tayong Facebook. So, I'm inviting everyone na sinong gustong mag-follow o mag-share. Please do follow my YouTube channel. Yung comment disabled pa rin. I don't know why, but I already upgraded. I did already change it. Try YouTube Kids. Ayun, may nagme-message sa atin. Alright, sorry. Somebody message us. So, si BTC, kagabi, sumabay din siya kay gold, no? Like, it was like hovering somewhere here last night. No, tama, mga ilang oras ba yun, somewhere here. Then, nakita nga natin, sabi ko, pag kailangan si BTC is, to be safe si BTC, kailangan, kung nag-place kayo ng buy kahapon, somewhere below 1, 2, 3, 4 lang hours pa to. Yeah, on the 13, kung nag-place kayo ng buy, kung nag-TP kayo above the moving average na 200, somewhere here 46, that was a good buy. And then nasa 47 tayo. And right now, you know what? Buy zone po siya above somewhere 47.62. Sabihin na lang natin, to be safe, buy zone tayo 47.807. Ganyan natin to. Dito. Yan. Turn on. Tingnan ko lang. Yan. Internet is kinda like weird. Para sa akin, paakyat si BTC and this area will be the best place to position ever. Somewhere here. Taas na yung kanina. And then, area of concern will be layo ng support. Oh. Yeah, this is considered as possible area of liquidity. But, kung aanohin natin siya, lalagay tayo ng forecast from here. Taas yan. Pwede niyang balikan. Dito. Or sobra. Somewhere here muna tayo. Yeah, somewhere there. That's 49. 49 will be like from 47 to 49. That's possible. I don't see it going down. Pero pwede rin natin siyang abangan if ever mag-go down siya yung forecast natin somewhere here down to in this area lang. Sabihin natin dito. Hindi natin naalisin yung chart natin. Para mabalikan natin siya. Alright. Tagal, no? Ang tagal mag ano yung internet mag-react. Again, dalawa po kasi yung streaming na ginagawa ko ngayon, naka-simultaneous ako. So this is the possibility that I am looking for BTC. Yung mga nakikita natin, rubber area na to. Buy stop somewhere at overlapping. Buy stop somewhere at 47,679. Dito tayo magti-TP 49,407. And then sa sell naman, 46,755. Take profit 45. Okay. Yun lang. Short lang po muna. Just to be safe. Again, observe natin by 2 p.m. kung anong mangyayari. Merong gold news. Global page. Merong gold news sa global page. Tingnan natin guys. That would also give us more. Meron naglagay ng gold news inside sa global page ng Sky. Let me pull it up guys. Tama ba yung at least may ano tayo. Right. Gold news. The price of gold rallied overnight following a weaker than expected inflation printout of the United States core consumer prices, the preferred Fed metric that strips out volatility. Volatile food and energy prices rose 4.0 on a year-over-year basis. It was 0.2 below, and it's pullback in treasury yields to provide cover for bullion to advance higher. Markets appeared to have taken the easing in inflation pressures as a signal that the Federal Reserve may push back balance sheet tapering in the coming months. Ayan, yan yung kinababahala natin sa bagsak. And extended super easy monetary policy, both of which promote government bond buying. So, XCD broke above its 20-day simple moving average and the 26-day exponential moving average, and its overnight move Fibonacci retracement level 1801 from the July-August move also gave way. This follow a breach from the former resistance level from downward channel in late August, which now appears to be acting as support. Price may manage to extend higher if the two respective moving average hold support at 1834 point. Ayun. Yun nga, sinabi natin kanina, as I mentioned, 1832 or 1833 somewhere, yun yung possible area na kung maglalagay kayo, or if you had a trade on prior to those price, I would rather take profit from there, and then like let's reevaluate and look at what will be the possibilities according to the pattern of the candle, then sa technical analysis, and then observe on the fundamental analysis. Alright. Okay pala, may ano, buti na lang nagbasa ako sa group namin. Okay, it helps. It helps a lot. For those people who's messaging me about Forex and like wanted to start Forex trading, again, you can call me, you can message me more onto you can reach me anytime para mapag-usapan talaga natin. Mas maganda makapagtawag tayo. Do a phone call the moment that I give you my number, or I can also call you. Just give me your number. PM me your number so we can talk about it. What are the opportunities that you will get, and what are the advantages if you do copy trading and slowly learning manual trades. So again, you are in a very secure broker. Okay, Sky Alliance Market. All right. So we have a new portal. Yung trader portal and broker portal namin nag-upgrade. So if you have any concerns or question, you can also check it under my YouTube channel. Yung pwede nyo i-check yung how you can access your how you can access our new portals. So this is my YouTube channel, guys. Bago lang, kaka-start lang natin, and as I mentioned, hindi ko nga siya officially nag-launch na or something ganito, as long as naglagay na lang ako ng mga videos, and then I'm gonna be doing the daily intratrade talaga. Every day na yan, tuloy. And then simultaneous din sa Facebook natin. So that would be for today, and a little bit late tayo nagbigay ng intraday, but hopefully by 2 p.m. tingnan natin what will happen. Okay? So what's next? What now? Do we have any target? Maybe on our next video or live session, we can do some targets or whatever. What's the best na mag simulations din tayo around London time session. Depende, pero kasi ako nagte-trade talaga ako New York session. So the better. Wait for that time. I'm not gonna be changing any trading time at the moment kasi I'm used to trading at New York session talaga. Funny, I'm gonna share something. Last night, I had a mistake talaga. Nung nag-place ako ng trade, nalagay ko yung big lots dun sa maliit na trading account. And it's my fault. It's really my fault. I'm really sorry, guys. No? Pero wala namang naapektuhan kasi na-cut loss natin siya right away. And then bawi natin siya in the next days. So, there are sometimes talaga pag multiple accounts. Kaya nga, I am transitioning to my new trading team. Sinasabi ko, if you wanna do copy trade, yeah, we have an official trading team. They are from one of the city here in Mindanao, and they are really good, getting good results on their trade. And I'm just waiting for their um, statement about the risk management plan, so I can introduce them to our live. So thank you so much for watching today, and always make sure to guard your trades. And then I like to read this out again, that all the information is made available here is generally provided to serve as an example only, without obligation and without specific recommendations. Okay? And for any actions, analysis is subject to change at any time without notice. This is provided only to assist traders in their decisions. Risk management and calculation is highly recommended, and any investment objectives and goals should be planned prior to execution of foreign trades or any positions on your trading. Thank you so much once again, and thanks for watching and following our Facebook page and YouTube page. Earn to learn. Actually, it's earn and learn. I have to correct that, guys. Thank you, guys. Good afternoon. Goodbye. 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 Goodbye.